Hi everyone, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV. Want to show you this Forest River Work and Play 18 AC. It's a great little toy hauler. We have sleeping space here. We have our kitchen area here. Plenty of space for your toys. That of course flips up. Seating area here, and then of course this bed comes down, as you can see in the pictures. Nice good sized bathroom, especially this shower. Nice big shower here. Nice blue color, dual axle, dual propane. You've got your auxiliary battery. If you have any questions about this toy hauler, be sure to give us a call. The number above, be more than glad to answer any questions for you. Thanks so much and have a great day.